Too many people have already given up on themselves. They say they're done because life got hard. But life is hard for everyone. There are people out there facing battles you can't even imagine, yet they keep going. So why are you ready to quit? Why are you making excuse after excuse and wearing them like a warm coat? That coat isn't keeping you safe. It's destroying you. It's eating at your integrity. It's breaking your mindset. It's dragging you down a road you don't want to walk. You need to wake up. You need to understand that there is more inside you than you think. You must believe it. Stop saying you're done. You're not done. You still have breath in your lungs. You still have life in your body. That means you can move, you can work, you can earn, and you can build. But you have to start now. Some of you aren't ready for opportunity because you're scared of it. You're afraid to be better than you were yesterday. You're afraid to show the greatness inside you because you think your friends will leave you. So what? Who said you have to be like everyone else? Stop trying to fit into other people's boxes. We all have different paths. Your path may not make sense to others, but that doesn't matter. It has to make sense to you. Life is tough. So what? You have to get tougher. Defeat is not an option. If you keep thinking you are less than you are, you've already lost. You haven't even started fighting for the life you've been given. You've let the world poison your mind and blind you to what you're capable of. Every breath you take is a chance of a lifetime. Yes, life may not be going the way you want, but life moves forward, whether you're ready or not. You are still part of the game. You must keep working, keep fighting, keep moving. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. No one is coming to rescue you. You must put yourself in position to win. The truth is, many of you are stuck in laziness. You think you deserve the easy way. You don't. You think you deserve to quit. You don't. You chose this path, but you don't want to work for it. You want it to be simple, exactly the way you want it. But you're not willing to sacrifice. You're not willing to go further than you've ever gone. You have a purpose for being here today. Are you ready to step out of your comfort zone? Or will you keep saying you're defeated? Everything happening in your life right now has a reason. Maybe you don't like the way it came. Maybe you made mistakes. But that's life. It's hard, and you still have to carry on. Being tired is normal. Feeling angry or sad is normal. But those feelings are not excuses to quit. You still have work to do, and no one can do it for you. The time is now. If you're sitting around doing nothing, hoping something will magically change, good luck. It won't. Look around you. Most people are lazy. Is that who you are? Are you going to be the person who throws pity parties every day? That kind of thinking is killing your life. You don't even realize the power you have. Every day you wake up is another chance. Yes, maybe people have hurt you. Maybe your job isn't what you wanted. Maybe your friends walked away. But here's the question. Did you give up on yourself? Are you depending on others for your happiness? Because happiness is your responsibility, no one else's. If you quit on yourself, you've already lost. You don't have the right to say it's over. You haven't done enough. Every day you're alive, there's something more for you to do. So, are you going to get up and fight for your life? Are you going to show the world who you are, no matter who turns their back? The truth is, you must stop playing the blame game. Stop complaining about things you can control. Stop waiting for someone to save you. For most of your life, maybe you've blamed others for your mistakes and setbacks. But when will you wake up and start doing what's necessary? It won't be easy. Stop searching for shortcuts. You must push yourself every single day. You have the power inside you, but you spend more time complaining than working. You're making the same mistakes over and over, even when people give you advice. Nobody is waiting for you to figure it out. Success isn't waiting for you. The people you depend on aren't waiting either. Once you know what to do, you must act on it. No more delays. No more "I'll do it tomorrow." Complaining won't get the job done. Feeling sorry for yourself won't get the job done. Only effort matters. But you're not putting in the work. You're pointing fingers. You're asking, "Why me?" without realizing that everything starts with you. How can you grow without working? How can you build if you're not learning? You are responsible for your life, no one else. So, grow up, step up, do what you need to do. It won't happen overnight. The easy way doesn't work, because when trouble comes, you won't be ready. You must pay the price. Stop crying. Stop worrying. Get to work. Every day you're alive is another chance. Stop wasting it. You were not born to be lazy. You were not born to do nothing. If you want that job, go after it. If you want to be successful, then start acting like it. You must put in the work to reach the life you want. Stop expecting people to save you. This is your fight. Failures will come. That's how you learn. Struggle is necessary. Without it, you won't grow. Stop saying, "I don't feel like it," and start doing what you need to do. Believe in yourself. Have faith. Faith moves mountains, but only if you act. Stop dumping your problems on others and carry your own load. It's fine to ask for advice, but you must do the work. Pick yourself up. Push yourself forward. Stop waiting for an escape route. Build your way out. Focus on your purpose, your strength, your growth. Stop complaining. Start living. You've been complaining for too long. Now is the time to rise up. No one owes you anything. Work for what you want. Be productive. Be strong. And from this moment on, conduct your business. You've been through rejection. You've faced challenges that nearly broke you, but you're still here. That means there's still a fight in you. You can stand again. You can rebuild. And this time, you will push through every step of the way. Life itself is a challenge, but what's the point of living if you don't fight for it? Your body may get tired, but your soul has no limits. Without strength, without the will to rise again, you'll never reach the success you seek. So don't hold back. Fight for your victories. Don't be afraid to take a chance. Don't be afraid to live again. Every man and woman under the sun will face obstacles. No one's life is perfect. Mistakes will happen. Doors will close. But when they do, you don't stand there waiting for someone to open them. You kick them down. You take your place in this world and own it. Learn to love yourself again. Stop looking down on yourself. Accept that all things happen for a reason. Without mistakes, you wouldn't know where you stand. Without pain, you wouldn't value joy. So wake up. It's time to build your life. Say it out loud. I can't give up. I will not give up. I will bring out the best in me. Understand that if it's meant to be, it's up to you. You are the one who must take action. You must be the one who believes, even when others doubt you. When the world judges you unfairly, you must still believe in yourself. When things don't go your way, you must still believe. When people call you weak or useless, you must still believe. Because life will test you over and over. You'll ask, "Why me? What did I do?" And most times you won't get an answer, but you are a living testimony. Your story matters because you believed. With faith, anything is possible. But you must also understand, life will not be all comfort and sweetness. You will taste struggle. You will feel misery. You will face days where you feel broken. But broken things can be rebuilt. You've been through times where you felt you couldn't carry on, but here you are, breathing, living. That means there is more for you to do. You must rebuild your mind, your body, and your spirit. You are the architect of your life. Design it, build it, protect it. Stop wasting time worrying about what you can't change. Stop wasting energy on misery and doubt. Focus on making your life matter. Even when you feel empty, you can still move forward. The journey will be hard, but without the journey, there's no destination worth reaching. Push through every challenge. Don't run from your problems. They will chase you until you face them. You might get angry, you might cry, you might feel like quitting, but you can't. Your life is not over. You are proof that a person can be broken and still get back up. Without challenges, you can't grow. Without setbacks, you won't learn the power of a comeback. So, rebuild. Take control of your life again. Put on your hard hat and get to work. It won't be easy, but tough times make tough people. Don't give up. Don't give in. Let your work speak for you. The power is in your hands. The future is in front of you. Stop looking back. Keep moving. Be strong. Life is about getting back up every time you fall. Circumstances will knock you down, but you can rise again. Yes, you'll feel lonely sometimes. Yes, things won't always work out. But you can't stay on the ground. You must keep going forward. Don't let distractions steal your dreams. Your life is still beautiful, even with the pain. Sometimes you have to go through the hurt to truly appreciate the win. Victory means more when you've fought for it. Many people quit before they see the reward. Don't be one of them. Stand on your purpose and chase it with everything you have. Stop saying, "I can't." That word will not help you. Stop giving your excuses more power than your actions. You matter. You're alive for a reason. You have something special in you. Don't waste it. Most people don't understand what real sacrifice is. Are you willing to give up your comfort for your dream? Are you willing to walk away from negativity to protect your peace? The truth is, life is short. Stop spending it on things you can't control. Focus on what's in your hands now. Build your foundation. No house stands without one, and your life is the same. This is your business. Conduct it well. Each day you're alive, you have a chance to do something great. Don't waste that chance complaining. Complaining changes nothing. Action changes everything. Work harder with each breath, each step. You only get one life. Stop waiting for the right time. There is no right time. The time is now. Every rejection, every setback, every no you've faced is not the end. It's a lesson. You've been knocked down, but that just means you know how to get back up. The best people are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who always rise. Believe in yourself enough to stand again. Have faith that your future is worth the fight. Trust that you have the strength to finish what you've started. The road will not be smooth. You will have days when you question yourself. You will have moments when you feel stuck. But remember, staying down is a choice, and you have another choice, to get up and try again. Don't hide your purpose. Don't wait for someone to tell you you're good enough. Believe it for yourself. If you keep waiting for life to hand you something, you'll wait forever. Nobody owes you anything. You owe yourself effort, growth, and action. If you have an idea, use it. If people laugh at it, let them. That's their problem. You must move forward, no matter what anyone says. Stop standing on the sidelines and step into the game. Success is not easy. It will challenge you, break you, and demand more than you think you have. But that's the price. If you're willing to pay it, you can have the life you want. If you're not, you'll stay exactly where you are. So don't wait another day. Build something today. Make today the start of the rest of your life. You have nothing to lose except the time you waste. Your moment is now. Dare to be better, dare to rise. Keep moving, be strong, and from this moment on, conduct your business with purpose.